Hey, so what is up? I am currently working all week. So y'all are about to ride with me to work the night shift. What time is it? It is 3:50. Gotta be at work at 5. So I always leave the house around like 4 o'clock, get to work at 5. So y'all are gonna come along for the ride. Haha. And it's like 66 degrees out, kind of windy, but you know, let's get to it. Damn, I can already feel the wind. Shit. Let's just hope I don't get blown off my bike though. And the ice is still here and it's fucking 66 degrees. So I took my bike out yesterday for a little ride because I haven't ridden it in like 2 weeks. So I took my bike out for a ride. I didn't record it obviously, but I should have. The reason why I should have recorded my ride yesterday was, one, all the ice that's right there. I fucking fell and dropped the bike on the ice right there. And then secondly, there's a bunch of ice that's in front of the garage that I struggled so hard to get my bike back into the garage, because even though it's warming up a bit, the ice and the snow is still there. So y'all are about to see me fucking struggle with this shit, and hopefully I don't fall right here again. Or maybe I could go the other way out, but yeah, I fell like right here. And then like I noticed a screw on my clutch lever came out. I put that screw back in, but the Loctite that's supposed to go underneath the screw to keep it in place is missing. So every time I shift gears with the clutch, the fucking screw loosens a little bit and I have to get a replacement part, but I can't find the fucking replacement part online anywhere. Oh, but yeah, see all that ice right there in front of my garage? Yeah, this is about to be fun, dude. I struggled to get my bike inside yesterday when I got home. And yes, this shit is slippery as fuck. So y'all are probably about to see me drop my bike again because of this shit. Hopefully I don't know. But this shit is slippery as fuck. And I almost busted my ass. So here we go. Alright, this is that's the screw I was talking about. Put my phone here. I gotta put my music on. There we go. Okay, I'm not experienced enough to move my bike and turn it around on the kickstand. So y'all are about to watch me struggle right now to fucking turn my bike around. Let's just hope I don't fall on my ass right here, because that ice is fucking slippery. Very, very fucking slippery. Oh shit. Turn the bike on and let this hoe warm up. Oh, I got water on my phone. Nice. Garage closing. Oh yeah, I did put a fucking flathead in here because it's this screw right here. Like without a Loctite nut, underneath it every time I go to change gears. Like, look, watch. Oh, I guess not. But over time, I'll probably loosen until I can get the fucking bolt that goes underneath it. So that's why I have the screwdriver in here for that. Oh, man. But just hope and pray I don't fucking fall, okay? Let me see. And the GoPro is still recording. It hasn't turned off yet. Usually I have an issue with the GoPro where it fucking turns off as I'm riding or recording. Which it might do that as I'm riding to work, so. God damn, it's hot. Alright, but let's go. Y'all are probably about to see me fucking bust my ass too, honestly. Oh, man. Yeah, right here is where I fucking busted my ass yesterday, so let's fucking be extremely careful today. I think it's because I pressed my front brake. But I'm gonna make sure I don't do that this time. Okay, pretty good. Alright, let's go. But now my fucking wheels are gonna be wet, so I gotta be extra cautious. Yeah, this is already skeptical because the fucking parking lot's wet. And I'm trying not to fall because that shit hurts. And then also my bike has a few scratches from falling or dropping it before. Oh, see right here, I gotta be fucking cautious right here. Because I'm not trying to fall. Especially before going into work today. So I gotta take it nice and slow. When you're nice and slow, you're more safer. Or cautious, or whatever the proper term of that shit, you know, is. Alright, but let's head to work. Vroom, vroom. This is why we leave work early, leave home, blah, 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 blah. Ah! Damn, already back to recording fucking content. I came in English. This is why we leave the house an hour early because of traffic, okay? That's why we leave early as fuck. It feels so nice, but wearing the shit that I'm wearing, my work jacket, because I gotta take my work clothes, you know, to work, because I wash them. It is hot as fuck. But when I do get off work tonight, it's gonna be like 30, maybe 40, 35 degrees. So it's gonna be it's gonna be cold as fuck. But you know, there's nothing wrong with that, of course. Here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. Man, bro, it fucking sucked not riding for 2 weeks because of the snowstorm that came by through here. I don't know how you guys winterize y'all's bikes and not be able to ride for like 3-4 months, because I couldn't fucking do that. Just not riding for 2 weeks, fucking, it was killing me low-key. Because I love this shit, bro. I love riding. This shit's so fucking fun. especially making the content too, bro. Oh, wait, okay, so that's another thing that I'm currently in the process of doing, is making a video. Is making a video called Emotional Intelligence. I haven't started it yet, but I'm going to, but that's what the video is called, or going to be called, is Emotional Intelligence. And it's going to be about me talking about certain situations, certain scenarios that involves you and others, your feelings, your emotions, you know, the stuff that you've been through, and what you can do to become better, what you can do to progress and have a better life. Especially like I'll be talking about some of the things that I've gone through, that I've been through and whatnot. So there's like, for the content, like if you already follow me on TikTok and Instagram, or even Facebook, I've already made some posts about the type of content that's coming up. So that's definitely, that video, Emotional Intelligence, is definitely in the works. That is gravel. That is gravel. Why is there gravel? Why is there gravel on cement? That doesn't make sense. But I do have some ideas for the content that's coming up and everything. The content I post on TikTok, that might change, that might not. I don't know. Ooh, look at that bike. I like that neon helmet. That was pretty cool. Come on, y'all, let's go. The road is wet. Why is it wet? like this at all. Why is it wet? Why is it wet? Dude, holy shit. I don't like this at all. Like, I'm probably gonna fall and bust my ass. I mean, shit, I should have recorded the fucking video yesterday of fucking me falling. That shit would have been funny as fuck. To the garden coast, won't you party with us? Love, California girl. Don't know if I'm getting, like, out of the 2 months I've been riding, I don't know if I'm getting either more comfortable with my bike, more experienced or whatnot. But with it being kind of windy today, it hasn't really been pushing me around. Now if I was on the highway, yeah, I would have been going back and forth, but you know, but it's nice. It feels nice today. I mean, I'm going in for overtime. Technically, I don't have to, but then again, I do have to because I got bills and shit, you know. So, but at least I don't have to work the full 12. I can work like 8 hours or whatnot, which would be fun. Which would be nice. My GoPro's still recording. That's a fucking first. Usually it would have cut off like way back there. Oh yeah, I totally didn't tighten my helmet. Oh well. Back about the wind, I just felt that strong shit. Man, that shit low-key kind of scared me a little bit. to happen.